dear YouTubers. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install and use TeamViewer. For users who don't know what is the utility of this software, this application is used for internet-based remote access and support. It can connect to any PC or server, so you can control your partner's PC or your own PC as if you were sitting right in front of it. It is also used to work with colleagues from a distance, to help your customers remotely and stay connected with your devices to assist friends and family members. This program is compatible with Windows 7, Windows XP, Windows 8 and 8.1, Windows Vista and also Windows 10. Supports different Mac OS, Linux as well as Android and iOS without any third-party software. So let us begin the process of the installation. Firstly, open the RAR file, then extract the content of the file to the desktop. In my case, I already extracted this, so I will enter the file. Then I will go to setup and patch by then setup, run as administrator, then yes. Basic, how do you want to proceed? Click on basic installation. And how do you want to use TeamViewer? In my case, I will choose personal, non-commercial use, then accept, finish. Now, if you want to, all you have to do, here you have your ID, your password. All you have to do if you want to cooperate with your partner or to connect in real time with another PC or your own PC or PC or your customer PC or your partner PC, you're gonna to click enter here your partner ID here, then click on connect. So now we will try to patch the software or to crack it. So close it. Then go to Team, View and Patch, Setup, click on TeamViewer Patch, then yes. Here we have TeamViewer XZ, Corporate or Premium or Enterprise. In my case I will choose Upper Enterprise, then I will click on Patch. TeamViewer patched Enterprise. Click OK. Then reopen. We will try to be convinced that the software is really patched. Click yes. Then as you can see, a new TeamViewer license has been activated on this computer. Old license free, new license Enterprise, 88 channels. So go to help, then about TeamViewer. As you can see, the license is Enterprise. So that's the end of the video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to post a comment. I'll be happy to reply. And also don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel and hit like button. So see you soon on the next tutorial. Bye.